Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new, and welcome to our third segment in 2024 rather. I feel like we should do these or something similar in the past of our
mid-month May money marriage check-in.
Yep. So we're basically just going to talk about like things in our marriage that we've learned and stuff like that, and then talk about our money and check in with the money since it's the middle of the month, which is when we do our official check-in. Have anything to share about the past couple weeks regarding marriage? Or anything you've been working on personally or we were doing together? Any wins, successes? That's kind of what this is about. Losses, major L's that we've taken.
Well, I don't take L's. I don't know what that is.
All you do is win, no matter what?
Win, yeah.
Okay.
And one thing that's been helping me win is, we just recently finished reading Brene Brown's, what is it?
Gifts of Imperfection.
Gifts of Imperfection. And it taught me a lot. It taught me about compassion, taught me about courage, the courage to be vulnerable, and to talk about your shame, and that's the only way to get over things.
Is to talk about it.
Yeah, and connectivity, connection with other people.
What he said.
Yeah, that's brought me a long way. Well, not brought me a long way, but I've learned a lot in trying to implement different things into my own personal life and into my marriage.
Yep. I agree. We read the book together, and then also I was going to share that. Oh, you fixed the HVAC system.
Oh yeah, I fixed our AC. Our air went out, and
for a second time
for the second time in
the
a
same
month. Yeah.
You fixed it about April. Mm-hmm. So that was a huge win.
That was a huge win. I've never done that before. That was the first time thing. So yeah, I'm proud of myself that I was able to get up there and do it and get her done. And
yeah, you want to tell them what you had to do?
All right, so the trick is, so if your AC ever stops working, so the first thing you want to do, you want to go up to your AC unit. And you want to check the little, once you see the little AC unit, there's going to be like a little silver pan under it. That's called the drip pan. You want to see if there's any water inside of it. Usually there's some kind of system connected to the AC unit where if it fills up with water, it'll automatically cut off. So that's why your AC isn't working, because the drip pan is full. So if the drip pan is full, all you have to do is suck out the water using like a shop vac, or we didn't have a shop vac, but I just used our carpet vacuum, our carpet shampooer, to suck up all the water. Oh, and then you have to go outside and suck the little vent. There's like a little vent. You just have to clear that out. Yeah, and it should be working after that.
Yep.
Easy, simple, save you a whole lot of money.
Yep. So I think we would have probably paid maybe like $150 or so for that, but he went and did it. So
or the diagnostic was $150 or something like that.
It was gonna be
it would have been some more money.
Yeah, because that happened to us before, and it was some good money, a couple hundred. So he saved us a lot of money there, so that's exciting. We both are going to be finished with the school year in like a week or so that's exciting because we're prepping for the summer. You got the pool, you patched up the pool.
That was another thing I was about to say. Something else major I did. Our pool had a leak in it. You could tell because there was water gathering around the pool, and I feel like it was eventually going to become a bigger issue because around our yard, it was starting to like get real, soaked up, and the water was, what do you call that when you step on water and your foot just sinks into it and
step on water?
Yeah, or step on the ground and like
mushy?
Water. Yeah, it was getting real mushy out, like it was starting to spread around the yard, so yeah, decided to patch that up.
Yeah.
Found that leak, patched that up. Now we're ready to swim next week, probably.
We were supposed to have a community yard sale today, for which I was going to participate and put some things out into the yard sale or be a part of that. I've never done a yard sale, but it rained, and so it's going to be moved. So perhaps that'll be like next weekend or something. So we'll participate in that. All right, so let's talk about these finances. I guess we'll just talk about where our money has gone. Or you want to share about Mother's Day? That was kind of like a to-do thing. Do you want to talk about what we did for Mother's Day?
We went out to eat at this new restaurant here in town.
That's
brunch
it.
Spot. Yeah, we went out to eat.
Well, I have my Mother's Day gift on here, so that was that.
We didn't buy a gift.
Well, I was going to get her hair done, but she won't pick a date to get. She wants the person who does my hair to do her hair, but she won't pick a date. So like if she ever picks a date, I was going to get her hair done. We pay for our Sirius XM subscription. We pay for that every 6 months, and that was going to be, I guess this is info for you, that was going to be like $100 and something, but I called and asked for a promo. So they gave one, and the promo was going to be $43.70 for the next 6 months. Same thing with car insurance. Car insurance was going to be due in June, but the premium was $2,000 for 6 months, and I was like, we can't pay $2,000 for car insurance for 6 months. So they rewrote the policy as they've done in the past, and we ended up paying less than half of what that original price was going to be, like less than $1,000, just shy of $1,000. So that's how much car insurance is going to be for the next 6 months. And nothing changed on our policy. Everything is exactly the same. We just have a new policy number. So that has taken place. So far we have paid our gym bill, which is $62, our car payment, which is $314.34, our electricity, which was $121.47. Cable was $40, internet was $80.32. Our cell phone bills were not due in May, they were due in April. Lawn care / pest control was $80, and then our mortgage just came out at $1,672.40. And those are all of the bills that we have paid thus far, because those are all of the bills that have been due thus far. For shopping, we budgeted $1,500. You want to guess how much we've spent for shopping?
$637.
$1,147.63.
Oh, that's how much I've spent, probably
Oh, is that so? So for shopping, these are all of the, if you want to see, these are all the shopping categories. We have Dollar General, McDonald's, Scentbird. I'm back using Scentbird. I had paused my subscription, and we've Grubhub some. Oh yeah, that's where our money goes.
Yeah, it's all food.
Anything standing out as you're scrolling? Just food? Oh, you went to a concert?
I went to the board teachers show in Charlotte. If you don't know, the board teachers, they're like comedians. They're like retired teachers. They're like former teachers who, like, I guess quit. Yeah, they just tell teacher jokes, and yeah, it was pretty fun.
You liked it?
It was funny, yeah.
That's the only thing out of the ordinary. So that's how much we have spent on shopping and expenses so far. I like the way that we set up our budget, because we already know what area we need to go to review in the event that we need to make any changes or whatnot. So I guess what's our plan for the rest of the month? I do remember talking about that before. We do have a charity event that we're going to. I don't know if we have a graduation we're going to, so I'm going to get that person a graduation gift.
Graduation we're going to.
Oh, sorry, graduation party, not a graduation. We're just going to the party. And then we like to go to these little events that happen on Sunday. They're $10 each, so nothing major. We do have to pay out of pocket for our marriage counseling, so that's an expense that we have to pay between the end of the month. We also, if we're going to our family reunion, which we plan to, have to pay our family reunion dues, which are due by May 31st. We have to book the lodging for the family reunion. In essence, we probably will spend maybe like a good $500 more perhaps, which won't be too bad. That'll actually keep us pretty much on budget. So basically, if we do those things and just buy groceries and don't do anything out of the ordinary, that's pretty much how much we can be expected to spend in May. Maybe a little less, because I was just thinking of the total amount that we're going to pay for lodging, but I'm remembering we just have to pay a deposit because I think we're all going to get an Airbnb, so we may just have to pay the deposit for that. That's pretty much what the rest of the month is going to look like. You have anything else that you like to share? That was pretty much an easy check-in. Like, it wasn't one of the more chaotic ones, because we're not like doing horribly with our spending, and it's been just pretty chill, like with the bills. Just really the Sirius XM having to call and like try to get a new promo, which took 5 minutes, and then the
car insurance.
The Progressive was a headache thing, but each month we save up by way of sinking funds, or I try to each month, or save up some even if I don't do the total amount. So I did withdraw money from our sinking funds account and transfer it to our main account to cover some of the costs of the insurance. I was not expecting it to be the what it was originally. So we were able to cover some of that with that. But that's pretty much been it.
We're also trying to like find room in the budget for a PlayStation 5 and an iPad. Right? You want the new iPad?
I don't think I would love the new iPad, but I don't think I'll be able to afford it because it costs too much money for the one that I want. So.
No, same for the PS5. It costs.
Well, we're talking a 4-figure number for for this.
Okay, well.
You talking $300 used, $250 used for a big console. Not to say that this isn't my life, but I'm just saying.
But I know I'm not going to.
It's a lot of money to pay for.
Oh, like that.
Oh, you want to give us an update on your wedding band?
Oh, I still have my wedding ring.
Where's it at?
Over there, hanging up.
It's hanging up?
Mm-hmm.
You don't wear it? Mm-hmm. You don't have it on your finger? I mean, I know that, but like, it's over there.
Yeah.
Why is it over there and not on your finger? I'm just curious.
I don't know.
Oh, I thought you lost it. I don't see it.
It's hanging up on the key ring on the red.
On the red? Mm-hmm. To the red one? I believe that. I think I see it from here, don't I? That round thing. I believe you. Oh, we watched the Club Shay Shay and Kel. What's his name?
Kel Mitchell.
Oh, I'm gonna call him Thompson. Oh. So the update then is that you didn't take your ring back.
No, I did not. I kept it.
Cool. Well, what style of your hairstyle you gonna get next for the summer? Folks were asking me, but of course I was getting box braids because box braids are life.
I don't know. I was gonna get the same thing, plaits. So.
That's what yeah. You find something you like, you stick with it. I do anyway.
I might try to pop smoke braids. You think I got enough hair yet?
Pop smoke? Them things? Yeah, I think that you're gonna be mad that they're gonna look crazy.
Because it's not long enough yet.
Well, I think you're gonna be mad that you'll have to get them done over more frequently than plaits. Although it might be cheaper. It might be a cheaper style. Shouldn't take but like barely an hour to do pop smoke braids if your hair's blown out and ready to go, you know, like if you go ready. Is that what you do? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So yeah, it probably won't take long. Anyway, that's gonna be it for our May check-in. We will check back in next month. That's gonna be it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and if you're liking what you're seeing. And I will catch you guys right back here in a few days in a new video, and you will catch us back at least next month. Bye guys.